What's going on, YouTube? In this episode of Chad Williams Fixes All, we're going to be removing the cabin air filter from this 2015 Chevy Trax. Let's get to it. So to get to the cabin air filter, it's behind the glove box door here. So we're going to need to open up the glove box, remove everything out of here because we're going to be swinging this downward. And the way that we achieve that is by first taking off this little damper, or it's like a little hydraulic piece here on the right side, and then we're going to be squeezing the glove box door together to pivot it down. So let's go ahead and take our needle nose pliers. I think a screwdriver, like a flat blade screwdriver, would work very well here too. But we're just going to take our needle nose pliers, press it together, and then pulling out at the same time here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this. Pulling out, so it will remove and it will go ahead and swing upwards, and then we can go ahead and press together on the sides of the glove box door. It's going to take a little bit of effort, and there's a little piece up here that likes to catch a little bit, but it's going to take a little bit of effort to actually get it to come down. But these are the pieces here that you're trying to press away from the side of the dash here, and there's one on the other side obviously. Well, we can go ahead and let that swing down, and in here is where the cabin air filter is. So we'll go ahead and get a closer view of that now. So this is where the cabin air filter is. It's behind this little door. So to access it, there's these two little tabs on the side here. You're just going to push in on each side, and then this flips upwards, and then you'll see the filter here. So take note about the text here, so you can see the text is all readable, because I think that it is directional, and even if it isn't, it's good to at least put it back the exact same way that you took it out. So we're just going to go ahead and reach in here and pull out the filter. You will have things on it, so this is my filter here. Haven't changed it since we've owned the vehicle. About 5 years now, and you can see that there is just a bunch of lint and dirt and debris. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out, and we'll get a new one later. We're just going to go ahead and install this one back in. I wanted to at least show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to clean this out for now, and in just a minute we'll install it right back in. I'll show you the procedure to close everything out. So I just had to show this to you guys. So I actually reached my hand in there, and I was able to pull out this much lint, and it almost looks like a mouse nest, honestly. And I know we did have a mouse in our car at one point, but we didn't know it created this. So make sure you check inside there, pull it out, and obviously if it has mouse droppings, make sure to wash your hands and everything like that too. But this is our filter here. So the filter, it looks like the part number here is 13503-675. That's for the GM Delphi unit. We're going to go ahead and link this unit and also other ones down in the description below. Also a pair of needle nose pliers and any other tools that we used here in this video, so that way you guys can purchase it and make it really easy for you. But we're going to go ahead and clean this out like I mentioned, and then we're going to install it again because I need to order myself one. So let's go ahead and clean this out, get back in the vehicle, and reinstall it. All right, now with your new air filter, we're just going to go ahead and slide this back in here. And then just close the lid. You'll hear 2 clicks, and then it should look just like that. And now we'll go ahead and go through the procedure of putting the glove box door back on. So we're just going to go ahead and go in reverse here and just push this back in here. I like to push together a little bit, and then now that it's clicked in there, you can see that it stops when it comes down. We can go ahead and take the damper and just slide that back on here. You'll hear a click. And now that's back on. Now it will come down nice and easy again. And we are set. We can go ahead and close the door. That's it. So that completes the how-to on how to remove and replace your cabin air filter on your 2015 Trax. If you have Trax from another year, it's going to be a very similar process. If you like this video, please make sure to click like, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other Trax videos. I got a whole bunch out there. But until next time, thanks for watching.